Here we are. We're at Cypress Point Resort in Orlando, and we're gonna go hang out at the pool and go to Daytona Truck meet after this. So we're gonna swim, and then we're gonna look at trucks. And we like the resort, pool, splash pad, swings, sand volleyball court, jungle gym. There's a lot. And here's our room. I'm not getting in there, not a chance. Florida Babies Travel. We are at, I'll just add in the name of the resort later because I don't remember. In Orlando, we're at Cypress Point Resort, and we're gonna go back to the pool. It's Orlando, Lake Buena Vista. It's a diamond resort. Cedar, I don't know, Cypress something, that's what it is. Playground, water slides, volcano. I'm the luckiest mom in the whole wide world. Love my babies, my perfect baby boys. At Daytona Beach, and I'm at the little shopping area in the center. Just ate at the Wing House. I'm doing a lot right now. Diamond Resort. See the water slides? No? You don't want to go under? Look, I want Brady to play with the water right here. Look. I got this one all swagged out, ready for the pool. Got the little volcano there. There's a little waterfall. And wait till you see this little cutie. There he is! Benji, say hello. Bless you. Bless you. Look at how cute this little guy is. Look at that hat. Look at that hat. Whoa! And then we'll see if we can show you like the little jungle gym and stuff.